So we are finalizing this shower. This is gonna be one beautiful looking shower. Shiplap, 13-inch by 36-inch tile. We have a 28-inch niche, vertical. Everything is gonna look very modern. So here it is, finalizing this side wall here. Valve wall is completely installed. Back wall installed, straight pattern. It's gonna look very cool with the water running down this shiplap style porcelain tile. Pan is already in, so what we're gonna do is simple here. Finalize this wall with our tile, install our quartz sill, quartz shelf, quartz curb, and let's show you what we're using for that. Here is our curb, solid surface, quartz. It's already beveled and finished. And of course, our two pieces for the niche, sill, and shelf. So we are making great progress. We are going to finalize all of the tile installation today. So what we did when we installed this tile is we left room back here for our trim edging. Let's show you what we're going to use here. Cutting down our niche or niche sill. Fabricating and installing the niche. The very last piece of this masterpiece of a shower. The curb's going down now. And this is pre-grout. We are going to use Prism, the color Natural Gray. Time to finalize and grout this shower. Flat, plumb, and square with Curdy foam board. Okay guys, the shower is complete. The masterpiece is finalized. Let's quickly show you the final product here. So here's the shower. It turned out absolutely beautiful. Our client is extremely happy. We'll start with the valve wall. We installed a new valve, trim kit, shower head. The tile, field wall tile, is a 13-inch by 36-inch shiplap porcelain plank. We installed it at a straight pattern. Everything is symmetrical. The same size tile at the bottom of the pan as well as the top of the shower. Grout joints disappear, prism grout. Natural gray was used. Everything is sealed up and ready for use. Let's take a look at the niche wall. We installed a 12 by 28-inch Schluter niche vertically. Trimmed it out with Schluter jolly. Miters at all four corners. Everything is tight, clean. Our niche sill is 3/4 of an inch quartz, as well as the shelf here. Very large and tall niche. It looks great. Again, we trimmed out the sides with Schluter jolly as well. Swing on down to the pan and the curb. 3/4 of an inch quartz. To cap off our curb, this is a 3.5-inch curb. River rock was installed for the shower pan. We have a Schluter shower pan, Schluter drain kit. Natural gray prism, everything is sealed up. This shower will be ready for use as early as tomorrow. Well, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bath and shower tile ideas. If you want to see future bath and shower tile ideas, don't forget to tap the subscribe button down there if you enjoyed this video. Tap that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.